Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Icino. So let's take a look at MONERO. MONERO rallied up nicely. We're watching for a pullback here. Did get slightly above the rotation zone, but now pulling back. Very key support levels coming in here. 291 to 296. So if it does get back there, we're going to watch and see if it can turn up. It couldn't quite get to its daily rotation zone. If it does get above this 345.95 level, we're going to be targeting 356 to 359 area and then 373. Let me show you on the daily chart. That's also going to be, you see the first cross rotation zones right in that area. So there's tons of resistance up here and we haven't even returned to the rotation zone yet. So watch for that should it rally. The key levels that we're also watching for on the pullback, again, this 291 to 296, and we don't want to see it get below this 277. There's two key GAN levels here right at 277. The last one from this run up, and then when the longer term runs, that's going to be major support. If we do pull back, we don't want to see a close above there. But you can see these target areas right above there. We have a GAN projection up there. We have the declining 50-period exponential moving average. Right above that, we have the simple, and then we have the rotation zone on the daily. So if you did anything and are long this on this big pullback, that's a key area to at least raise stops, if not take something off the table. That's going to be a very good place to target. Switching over to Ripple. Ripple earlier did close above a trend line, and the defining point was back up here. If you don't know how we do our trend lines, please watch our trend line videos. Already hit the major target area. We did the GAN projection up there, and we hit this cluster already. Now we can also revise the GAN levels to the most recent pause. So on a continued move up, next target one, essentially 180, which will also be the 37.5, just above the 37.5 retracement from this big sell-off, and then major target area 190 to 191 to watch for. Key support on a pullback, we're watching for 146. We got the first cross rotation zone and a GAN level, the 25% GAN level from this big sell-off. And then if that does not hold, next major is 128, and we do not want to close below 175. That would invalidate this recovery for us right now. So again, to the upside, 179, then 190. Let's check in on the daily chart to see how all that works, because we don't want to neglect the daily chart. And you see where we are right now. This is the first set of targets, also right in the middle of the first cross rotation zone. So we really need to get above this 175 level before we'll be confident in this run up. So that's very key resistance. So that's why we're also watching for the potential pullback to that 146 level to see if that does hold. But that's your upside and downside targets depending on what you're looking for doing. And again, don't push this too hard. At least be trailing stops, especially up at this 190, 191 level. See, this is a prior resistance, key close, support. Then it broke down. That's lining up with this GAN level. So this 190, 191 level is going to be very, very key. Do not ignore it if you are long Ripple. So we have for you on MONERO and Ripple, and we'll talk to everybody shortly. Thanks for all the likes, subscribes, and comments, and thanks for watching all the videos to get our viewing time up. We really appreciate everyone who's a member of this channel. Thank you so much. Bye for now.